It's time to make a southern staple, Florida blueberry cobbler. So basically in this little bowl, we're gonna add Florida blueberries, our natural sugar with a little bit of lemon juice. We're gonna mix that up. And then we pour the melted butter in the bottom of the pan, then the sugar and blueberry mixture sits there. Now we're making our topping, which is super simple, a little self-rising flour, some Florida sugar, natural vanilla, and a little bit of milk. Got our Florida blueberry cobbler topping going right on. Our oven is preheated to about 375 degrees. Now this is gonna take about 45 minutes to finish cooking, and it is gonna be delicious. This recipe would be great served with some vanilla ice cream, some fresh whipped cream, or just on its own. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep cooking.